Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to restore iPhone from iTunes backup. First off, we have a Power Rescue. To get the app on your PC, go to its official site, then click the download button, then install. Next, launch a Power Rescue and connect your iPhone to PC through a lightning cable. Once connected, click on the iTunes icon from the top menu panel. Now, the backup files will show up for preview. Simply choose the backup and click Start Scan. After scanning, choose the files that you want to retrieve and click Recover to Computer. Lastly, save the files to your PC and you are done with iTunes Backup Recover for iPhone. The second way is by using EaseUS. Just like a Power Rescue, it also provides the function of backing up files from iTunes and iCloud Backup. To start, download and install EaseUS on your PC by visiting its main page. Then, connect your iPhone to your computer through a lightning cable. Once connected, choose Recover from iTunes and then click on Scan. Then, you will see all the files you backed up on iTunes and start to recover data simply by selecting the files you want to restore, then click Recover. The final way to restore iPhone from iTunes backup is through iTunes Recovery. To do this, make sure to install iTunes to your PC. Afterwards, open iTunes and connect your iPhone to it. Click on the phone icon, then choose Summary section on the left panel. From there, click Restore Backup. Once done, you just have to click Restore, then recover the data from iTunes Backup. And those are the tools you may use to recover iPhone from iTunes Backup. Thank you for watching!